Is a bulging drone battery dangerous? Don't panic, we have a perfect solution. First, disassemble the outer case using a pry knife. Gently pop open the clips along the edge. Then remove the 2 screws securing the cable to take off the upper shell. Now, carefully extract the swollen cell. We have prepared a brand new, high-rate 4400 mAh cell. Choosing the right replacement cell is critical. It must match the exact size and specifications. Otherwise, it won't fit the original housing. Next, ensure perfect insulation to prevent any short circuits. Reuse the original plastic insulation. Sheets and small accessories don't throw them away. Place the newly assembled cell into the case until you hear it click securely into place. Finally, connect the battery to a computer to verify the chip data parameters. Once the numbers look good, perform a complete charge and discharge test. Put the cover back, tighten the screws, and your dangerous bulging battery is brand new again. If you found this video helpful, please hit follow for more elite repair tutorials.